Hi friends, this video shows how to set 5G only network mode. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to connections, then tap on mobile networks, tap here, tap on network mode. Here you can see three options: 5G preferred, LTE preferred, 3G preferred. If you are using 5G SIM, you can select this first option, 5G preferred. When we use 5G preferred, mobile phone will try to use 5G if 5G signal strength is good. If 5G signal strength is weak, mobile phone will automatically switch back to 4G or 3G. So I will show you how we can stop that, how we can set 5G only network mode here. Open Google Play Store, then install this app, NetMonster. I already installed this app. Let me open. Tap on open, then tap on menu. Go to phone info, tap here. Then go down, tap on set preferred network type, tap here. Here we have to set NR only or 5G only. Select NR only. Done. After that we can close this. Then again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Go to mobile networks. Here you can see network mode has been changed to 5G only. So this way we can set 5G only network mode. You can try this. If you want to revert this change, you can just tap here, then select 5G preferred. That way you can revert this change. So this way we can set 5G only network mode. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.